Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So these videos about the linear differential equations with constant coefficient. The first video is about the introduction of that, and the further videos are about how to find the general solution of this general equation. Okay, so let's begin with the introduction. Linear differential equation with constant coefficients. What is it? The linear differential equation with constant coefficients is that in which dependent variables and its differential coefficients occur only in the first degree and not multiplied together, and the coefficients are constant. The general form of the equation is dny by dxn plus a1 dn minus y divided by dxn minus 1 plus a2 dn minus 2y divided by dxn minus 2 plus dot 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 plus a and y is equal to qx. This is the general form of the equation. In this equation, if you see, this qx is representing, this qx is the function of x only. It will not involve y. If it is involving y, then it is not the linear differential equation. Okay, it should only it must have only one variable, that is x. It will be the function of x only, and these ai's are, that is a1 a2 an, are the constants here. Okay, so if we replace these with the operator d, that is if we let operator d, that is defined by the d by dx, then d will be equivalent to the d by dx. D is equivalent to d by dx, and d square will be equivalent to d2 by dx2. D cube is equivalent to d3 by dx3, and so on. So dn will be nth derivative with respect to x is equal to dn. So if we replace these operators with the derivatives in the equation first, then the equation will be dn plus a1 dn minus 1 into y plus a2 dn minus 2 into y plus dot 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 plus a and y is equal to qx. Because dn are the operators that are operating on y, so that's why we can take y common from all of them. Okay, so if we take y common from all of them, then the general equation will be fd y is equal to qx, where this fd will represent this whole operators, that is dn plus a1 dn minus 1 plus a2 dn minus 2 plus dot dot dot, these are only 2 and 1. Okay, and dot 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 n. Okay, so this will be the equation. Now the general solution, how to find the general solution for this equation. So the general solution of this equation is equal to the complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function normally is represented by cf, and the particular integral is by pi. So how we gonna find the cf and the pi, that we'll see in the next few videos. So I'll just give you the introduction for that basic. So cf, if we have fdy, if we put fdy y is equal to 0, then the solution we get, that will be the complementary function. Okay, and for the particular integral, it will be y is equal to 1 by fd qx. Solution for that will be the particular integral, and the solutions, if we combine the solution, then we will get the general solution for the general equation or for the given equation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.